sikreto po tayo. May surpresa po tayo kay Linda Walker. Shh, shh, okay? June 13 po, kaarawan niya. So, bibigyan natin po siya ng cake at bouquet, okay? So, lahat-lahat tayo mag-sing po tayo ng alam niyo na kung ano yung kakantahin natin, alright? 张颖飞，我们今天有一个很大的惊喜想给你。Ladies and gentlemen, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Kantahin po natin lahat! Happy birthday to you! 祝你生日快乐！
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生
Ang kaarawan po ni Linda Walker ay June 13. So talagang celebrate natin po ang birthday niya. And here we have Richard Juan! Former BBB star and 8 Bulaga host and of course content creator and entrepreneur and also a very well-known actor.
祝你生日快乐。
Yan po ang Chinese. 祝你生日快乐. Everybody, can we say that? Aralin natin ang happy birthday sa Mandarin naman. 祝你生日快乐. Let's go. 祝你生日快乐. Zhang Yingfei. Oh my gosh, umiiyak na po siya. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan, and thank you. Okay. Now, is it okay? 许一个愿，许一个愿。没关系，现在来许一个愿好吗 ？Let's make a wish。我们来许一个愿，闭上眼睛许一个愿。All right. Okay. Let's give her a little moment for a wish. Okay.